Vijay commented this on one of our videos a few days ago. That's Cafe Ashwin right there, and look at that. It's a small place, but it's already so crowded. And we are patiently waiting under this huge, beautiful banyan tree because there are so many people there. We'll just wait for the crowd to disperse, and then we'll go there and have some good food. Of course, these are the first, we've taken so many things, but this is the first one we had to take as per the comment. Vijay mentioned that the mushroom samosa is good. So let's try this. What I like is the filling is very good. The flavor is not yet kicked in. I need to take another bite. So those of you who had a mushroom bhaji, filling is similar, but it's inside the samosa. So the crust outside is very thick. It's really nice, very good combination. First time I'm having something like this. I love a Punjabi samosa, but first time I'm trying mushroom samosa. Very nice. Let's move over to the pav. I want to have this fast, otherwise it will become hard. And I like the quality of the pav. Look at this, how fluffy this is. So it's really very, very nice. Now let's go for the chana masala. Okay, they have given onion here, so it's better to put in all the onion there. Yeah. And scoop this up well on the pav. That's how I like to have it. Wow. This superb bread. Very nice chana masala. Excellent flavors coming from the masala. And look at this, the gravy is thick. These are chickpeas, so these are cooked to perfection. And the onion, when you add onion on it, tasting amazing. Okay, let's go for the suki bhaji. They've called it suki bhaji, but I can see it very wet and more on the gravy side. But again, flavor is incredibly delicious. It is, yeah, I agree, it is oily. I saw some comments that the food might be oily, but guys, in terms of the taste, very good. I like, look at this, the cumin, lots of cumin. I like that in the food. Chili, coriander, nice consistency. Very, very good. Vijay, this place, if you're watching, was already on our list. We wanted to come here. But yes, thank you for reminding us. Thank you for mentioning in the comment. This is totally worth, And as we speak, like most of the other places we've been to, the people, they just keep coming and going. In fact, we were seated there. We had to share the table. Adrian, if you can show the table there. We were seated there. And we had to share the table, but luckily we got this table. It's a small place, people are eating. So we don't want to waste a lot of time and finish this fast. This is the Ussal bhaji. Yeah. And look at this, these grams. So compared to chickpeas, these are a bit, the outer covering is a bit hard. This is you taste sweet and spicy. Sweetness is coming from the onion, and spicy you can see the bits and pieces of red chili powder, and there are so many other masalas that go into it. So everything that I'm having so far has been really good, except the taste is good, but it's just that the oily bit that I see here, but that's fine. Okay, time to go for the buns. Buns, as you can see, not at all oily, flaky on the outside. Yeah. It's not very sweet, that's what I like. And I can get flavors from the banana and everything. Very nice coating. And it's soft as well inside. Look at it. So, flaky texture outside, soft inside. Got very good flavors of the banana. And today I said I'll not have mirchi because it's oily, but I really couldn't resist. I need some spicy flavors ending at the end. I love this. Like, I'm crazy after this mirchi bhaji. Look at this. The chili inside is big. Don't be worried, some are spicy, but it's not as spicy as a small chili, especially our viewers watching from the UK. Oh yes. Very nice coating of the gram flour, if I'm not mistaken, that's what they use. And the chili is not very spicy, it's soft, crunchy on the outside. Very nice. So overall, a very good breakfast. We're going to sit now, have it quickly. Luckily I don't see people waiting there, so we had to wait like for 10 minutes for to the peak time crowd to go away. Now that everyone's gone, we can sit here and have a breakfast, and of course we are not going to eat so much. We are going to take this parcel. Seriously guys, we have no idea what happened in the last 20-25 minutes. So much happened. Okay, first of all, we've taken 4 more mushroom samosas takeaway, and we have another bag there as well. All takeaway, so we have not wasted anything. And yes, there was later on I had tea, black tea, excellent. Milk tea also, Indian, what she had was pretty good. And if you can see there in the distance, still there are people queuing up. So we shared our table with an elderly couple, and the old uncle, he said that this looks like a houseful place, fully crowded. I mean, like I said, we don't know what happened, we don't know what hit us in the last 20-25 minutes. What a superb place. Like seriously, I can rate this among the top places we've been in Panjim for authentic Goan breakfast. If you are here, be ready to wait. We were waiting here. Somebody has even blocked a bike. I don't know how we'll go, we'll have to remove that. Anyway, but it was worth the wait, and it was such a wonderful experience. I mean, places like this, they literally take your breath away. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.